Mario Company here, aka Little Miss Flint, and for today's Staying and Playing, we got my water bottle vibe bottles. So these are just like for, if you're stressed out or like just need something to stare at, you can stare at this because it's all calm and stuff because it's a vibe. Alright, so to make my awesomely cool vibe bottles, you're going to need water, of course, but today I'm using bottled water. You can use any water, bottled water, tap water, but you just need water. You are going to need clear dish soap, because this will you'll see once you make it. You're going to need tons of glitter. Tons of glitter. You are going to need super glue to do the cap. And yeah. And of course, a bottle. You can use any size bottle, but I'm just using this one because it's going to be a vibe. Alright, let's get started. So at first, we're going to open the cap. We are going to, oh, by the way, warm water. You are going to open your warm water. You are going to carefully put this in. So it doesn't matter the amount of water you use, but I am going to be trying to fill this to halfway the top. Ooh, cool. Alright, that was the warm water, but I'm going to use another one because we got to make it fill up to the top right there. And done. Alright, put the cap back on that because, yeah. So it should be about right here. Decent, good. Now, what we're going to do, glitter. Glitter! Ignore that. Glitter, so you can use whatever glitter you want, but first, I am going to put in this one, so. Oh, keep going. I can't. No. Ignore that. Now what we gonna do it? We gonna do it this way. Wait. It's all bubbly at the top. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Clean up on aisle 9 for this. Alright. So this is gonna look like this. Ignore that. Alright. Let's see. Then you wanna take your almighty super glue and you gotta get the one with the small tops. Uh-oh, that's gonna be there. Uh-oh. Oopsies. Alright, so you can glue this on. You can either do it on the tip or on there, but I'm gonna do both of them. Oh, this is challenging. Remember, kids, don't get that all over yourself. No! Don't get this all over yourselves. Oh, that's not going close.
Keep going.
I have glue all over my hands. So, alright guys, so after you get it all glued on and stuff, all the glitter's at the bottom, but I'm going to show you how it works. So just
turn it upside down.
Is it dripping? I don't know. See, I got this really cool purple, but it's a vibe, so like. But anyway, and it's ombre. Now it turns pink. Alright, but that was it for today's video. So I hope you enjoyed. And follow me at Littleson on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. So I hope you had fun and hope you enjoyed. And stay in and stay safe. Thank you very much. Deuces!